Tara, thank you. New on Daybreak, local doctors are raising awareness about protecting yourself from skin cancer this summer. News 8's Amisha Ramsey has more from a local expert.
Well, that's right. Dr. Kingsley with MK Dermatology is stressing the fact that people should protect themselves from the sun, but also get those skin checkups. We're here at the Coles Playground. We have several people who are out. A gentleman riding his bike, soaking up the sun, as we mentioned. He has a long sleeve, which we'll get into, could protect him from those UV sun rays. Now, Dr. Kingsley says seek shade or apply sunscreen at least 20 minutes before sun exposure, especially between the hours of 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. For lasting protection, reapply sunscreen every 2 hours, even on cloudy days. Now, when choosing sunscreen, she says make sure it is labeled broad spectrum for protecting against UVA and UVB rays with SPF 30 or higher. Dr. Kingsley also debunked a common misconception that individuals with darker skin tones are immune to skin cancer. While less common, she says, they have a higher rate of dying from melanoma, which is the most dangerous form of skin cancer. Too often, diagnoses are much later and harder to treat. Now, skin cancer can affect anyone, which is why Dr. Kingsley says everyone should protect themselves from too much sun exposure.
The patients with darker skin type have more melanin and less likely to burn, but they still are getting sun damage and can develop skin cancer. So we see skin cancer across all skin types, and that's why protecting your skin day to day is very important. You don't want sunburns, you don't want skin cancer to develop over time, and you have to think about even the changes in your skin.
Sunburn specifically increase the risk of developing skin cancer, so wearing proper clothing such as long sleeves, hats, pants, and UV-resistant sunglasses can protect you from the sun. Now, Dr. Kingsley also warns against tanning beds as they expose the skin to intense levels of UV rays and significantly increase the risk of skin cancer. Again, back out here, we see several people here enjoying the sun, getting a walk in. The individual has a hat on to keep himself protected today. But not only that, to beat the heat, Indy Parks is opening up cooling centers around the city for individuals to go safely during the intense extreme heat. So you have some outlets there to stay out of the sun and again to beat that heat. We'll send it back to the studio. Amisha Ramsey for Wish TV, wishtv.com, and like us on Facebook.